Hi everybody, I hope you all had a great Thanksgiving. The one new thing that we learned in the Orchestra Academy this week is how to do dynamics. So dynamics means whether you're playing loud or playing soft. Now the tricky thing about doing this on a string instrument is that there's 5 different things that your bow can do to change your dynamic level. So number 1 is your bow speed, so how fast your bow is going. If it's going really fast, that's going to be louder. If it's going slow, that's going to be softer. Bow weight, so basically how hard you're pushing down. Obviously the harder you push, the louder it will be. Bow placement is how close it is either to the bridge or to the fingerboard. If your bow is close to the bridge, it's going to be louder, but careful because that also might mean scratchier. And if you're closer to the fingerboard, it'll be a little softer. Number 4 and 5, we don't need to really worry about right now. 4 is bow angle. So as you get more advanced, we're going to angle your bow so that the stick is towards the fingerboard. And what that does is that you use less hairs on your bow, so it makes it softer. Or you use all the hairs on your bow to make it louder. So we're just going to keep all the hairs on the bow, on the string. And the last one is bow direction. And that just means that a down bow is generally going to be louder than an up bow. So also the good thing about knowing all of these is that I know that a lot of you have struggled practicing at home with squeakiness. And all of these things can help with squeakiness. So if you are having trouble with your sound or being squeaky, check each of these things. Check your bow placement, check your speed. A lot of times it's too much weight on your bow. So really watch that. If you're still squeaking and your bow seems to be doing all 5 of these things correctly, there's 2 other things for you to check for. First, is your left hand finger down all the way? If it's only down partially, you're gonna have a big squeak. And the other thing is how straight is your bow. It should always be parallel with your bridge. So if you're like going back and forth all crazy, it's gonna end up squeaking more. So work on that.